Before the video starts, I just want to give a huge shout out to Cyclid on Discord. He's letting me use his pathfinding model that he made for this kit. So if you're in the Discord server, be sure to thank him. Without him, this tutorial would not be possible. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and insert the kit into Studio by just going to My Models, Realistic Horror Game Kit. Everything is the exact same except the addition of the NPC monster. So if you have everything set up already, that's fine. Just the only thing that you need now is you need the waypoints folder and you need the jump scare dummy NPC. So let me go set this up right now. So basically how this NPC monster works is it has waypoints that it follows, and it's in like a patrolling stage right now. So it'll follow those waypoints until a player comes in its vicinity, and if you do, it'll break from that waypoint that it's following and it'll start attacking you. And if you get too close to it, you get jump scared just like that. So there are ways to change those waypoints, like the path that it follows, and I'm going to show you guys how you can set it up to your own custom waypoints. Alright, so to change the waypoints, if you look in Explorer in Workspace, you'll see a waypoints folder with 2 parts in it. These waypoints are the parts that the NPC will hit when it's in like that patrolling stage. So if we duplicate one of these and put it like this, maybe another one here, like that, maybe something like that, and click run, you'll see that the NPC now hits each of these parts, not in order, but he'll hit each of these parts, and when something comes close to him, he'll break from this cycle and he'll go attack the player. If he jump scares the player and kills them, then he'll come back to this cycle. And quick little thing, if you want to change the distance that the NPC can find players, go ahead and go to the jump scare dummy, click on the pathfinding script. In here, go to local function find target and change the max distance to whatever you want. So right now the default is set to 40. If you want it to be bigger, make it 50, 60, 70, so on. If you want it to be smaller, make it less than 40. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up today's tutorial. Again, huge thanks to Cyclid. Make sure you say thank you to him in the server. If you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you never miss an upload. I'll really appreciate it, and we're so close to 2,500 subscribers. If you guys have any questions regarding today's tutorial, please join the Discord server, either linked in the description or the pinned comment. I have great staff and scripters that can help you guys with any errors or bugs you may have. That's all for today. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.